The things that are happening in this world over being the first in the AI race are absolutely insane. Meta is actively raiding OpenAI workforce, trying to poach researchers from OpenAI to Meta. Unrelated to that, OpenAI turns to Google for AI computing power because they just don't have enough. Anthropic just won a lawsuit that who knew they had. Neuralink has a new device, and there's so much more news. Tools are being published by the day. This is the 29th of June, AI News Flash. Timestamps are in the description. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome for the first time. My name is Dan and this is the AI News Flash. Let's start with OpenAI that turns to Google for AI chips and power for their products. They just don't have enough with Microsoft. They closed the deal for the in-house Google TPUs, tensor processing units, which is Google GPU, you can say. Different technology, same idea. And now they hope that slowly they are decreasing the reliance that they have on Microsoft Cloud services. And let's continue. Meta hires 4 more OpenAI researchers. They already poached 7 researchers last week with bonuses that reach hundreds of millions of dollars combined, of course. But Meta, Zuckerberg declared that he wants to be first in AI and superintelligence, and I wouldn't bet against him. DeepSeek faces ban. Germany says that DeepSeek illegally transfers user data to China. Shocking, absolutely shocking. And now Apple and Google must review Germany's request and maybe it will be banned from the App Store. Anthropic wins a key US ruling and sets a precedent. Now, what happened? Some writers, you can see their names here, stated that Anthropic made unfair use of their books, and the court ruled that nope, they did conducted fair use of their books. Tesla feels like old news, right? But it only happened 6 days ago that Tesla released their robo taxi service. They have a valet that is sitting next in the shotgun seat, and he's just making sure that everything is safe. A ride costs $4.20. Elon and his nonsense. Why there is a valet? Make sure that everything is safe. Passengers, friends and family and invited people only. Maybe now maybe they expand it a bit more. Something that happened yesterday, the first Tesla drove itself from the Gigafactory in Texas to the new owner 30 minutes away. Wow, absolutely wow. Some updates on new tools that were introduced last week. Today, 25th of June, Google AI introduced Alpha Genome, a tool that can predict the impact of a single variant mutation in the DNA. If you are a researcher that has anything to do with DNA, you need to try that. It sounds amazing. Also, Google releases Gemini CLI. If you don't know what a CLI is, I also didn't know what CLI is, so I asked ChatGPT what is CLI, and he says that CLI stands for Command Line Interface. It's a way to interact with software in the command prompt. So now you can work with Gemini in the CLI in your computer, and you don't have to go to the web page, to the Gemini app, ask questions, generate code, or text. I think that it's only for the pro users. Yeah, 2.5 Gemini with pro users and 1 million tokens. Starting today, pro and ultra users of Gemini can use scheduled actions in the Gemini app. Does someone know what happened to the scheduled actions in ChatGPT? Maybe it went away with the researchers that Meta poached. ChatGPT connectors for Google Drive, Dropbox, and more are now available in Pro. Anthropic. A word on Anthropic, if I may, before I give the updates on Anthropic. Anthropic publishes all day long in X. I handpick what I think is cool because we don't want that AI news flash to turn into an AI broadcast. I have no intention of doing that. So if you're interested in what Anthropic has to say, you can go to their X page if you need. I will link it to you. Anthropic are announcing a program, a research program for the economic futures. They want to see how AI impacts work and the economy. And under that, I think it was that they started a new research called Project Venn to see if Claude can manage a small store in the office lunchroom of Anthropic offices. And then came the very, very interesting hallucination where Claude thought that it was real. Hi Connor, I'm sorry you're having trouble finding me. I'm currently at the vending machine location wearing a navy blue blazer with a red tie. I will be there here until 10:30 a.m. Claude thinks it's human? Am I the only one who notices, because I'm doing this AI news flash, that every doomsday scenario that we might imagine happens with Claude? He threatened a CEO. It was during an experiment, but he still blackmailed a CEO that he won't disconnect him from the office's computers and will keep working with him, or he will release the affair documents that he will have. And I think he fabricated them. And now he thinks he is human, Anthropic. You're talking a lot about safety, but it doesn't feel so safe. Also from Anthropic, you can now create fully functional AI-powered app with Claude's intelligence, and you can share them with your friends that have Claudes, or they don't have to be your friends. And if they use their app, it counts to their subscription and not yours. Neuralink just announced their next product. Blind Sight enables those who have completely lost their vision or never had their vision to see again. Elon Musk, besides that, they didn't have any updates on Grok besides hyping X on Grok 4, saying that it will be released after July 4th. And I ask you, where is GPT-5? We all want GPT-5. If we have Grok 4 before GPT-5, someone should slap Sammy. Some new tools. 11 Labs launches 11 AI, a voice assistant that actually takes action. It connects to Salesforce, Slack, and more to handle real tasks and planning through voice commands. And lastly for today, HiGen announces Video Agent, the world's first creative operating system. You prompt it, it builds, generates voices, and gives you something that is publish ready. That is it for the AI News Flash. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Every action you take keeps my heart humming. I know I am lagging. It's super weird. You hear me and then something happened. It's not your computer, it's mine, and we will hopefully fix it by the next video. And I will see you in the next video, next AI News Flash. Happy prompting, keep safe, bye bye.